Hello, Ashley here and welcome to my channel. We're continuing with our quick and easy Christmas gifts. So today we're making an all-natural lemon sugar scrub. So we have an empty bowl to mix in, my little piggy mixer. I have these in like the little pink piggies, like the whole line of them. I love them. A spoon to help us scoop into our glass jar. We have a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of coconut oil, a quarter cup of coarse grain sugar, and the zest from half of a lemon. So we're going to put our sugar into our bowl. Stuck down there. Okay. And then we can scoop in our coconut oil. I heated my coconut oil up just a smidge just to soften it. Did you ever hear the saying, like, you know what the temperature is based on your coconut oil? It was cold here today. I always know when it's super hot out because my coconut oil is liquid. And then we can add our lemon zest. I think it was 20 degrees out today. The coconut oil knew it. And then our lemon juice. Okay. And then just mix this all up. Some people like to add food coloring to this, but I like to add the food coloring because it's all natural. Why add something not natural to it? And it's so pretty when you can see like the flecks of the lemon zest. I mean, it is yellow. Why add more? I just think it's so pretty this way. And it smells so good. I love lemon. It's such a clean scent. Okay. I'm just going to mix that until it's like nice and kind of fluffy, creamy like that. That's beautiful. Clean off my little piggy. He's just like the cutest. I just love him. I even have the little piggy oven mitts. Oh my goodness. Love them. My dogs hate them when you like put the little pig heads on. Oh my gosh. They bark at you like there's like an intruder in the house. I guess the piggies are intruders because they're touching the food. Not that the puppies were going to get it, but you know. My dogs are little foodies. They're tiny, but oh my goodness. You would think that they, for what they can like consume, they would seem like bigger dogs. Not dog food. I should mention that. I could leave dog food on the floor. They're fine. Human food? Oh my goodness. My husband never wanted to give them human food. I should never have. It is my own fault. I never had a dog before. These are my first 2 dogs. I have learned so much in the 15 years of having these dogs. Yep. So much. So much I'm not going to do next time. I still love them to death though. Okay. Just stick all that in there. Clean up our top. A little bit of sugar on there. Okay. So there it is. I chose this little jar. You can do a bigger jar. You can do a mason jar. Depends on like who you're sending it to. That is a train. I live by the railroad tracks. That is a train going behind my house. And then you can fancy this up just like everything else. Little ribbon. I have these adorable little wooden spoons I love to just tie on there. And they fit perfectly in the little hole on top. And like they're short. They tie on there perfectly. So I'll show you that at the end when I take the picture. You don't really need any instructions. I'm sure people know how to scoop this out. So that's about it. If you're liking what you're seeing with it, subscribe below. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.